Have you ever considered the health benefits of spending time in nature? Simply being outdoors and surrounded by nature can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Fresh air and natural surroundings help lower cortisol levels, boost your mood, and improve mental clarity. Studies have even shown that spending time in nature can strengthen your immune system and improve sleep. So, whether it's a walk in the park or a hike in the mountains, make nature part of your routine. Subscribe to my channel and like this video for more healthy tips.